Okay. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but this little bird right here, every morning, there he is, tweeting at my face. Here's my balcony. Oh, there he goes, because he knew he was on camera. Okay, so, good morning, y'all. Fresh out of the shower, so my hair is a mess. It's nappy as fuck. But the birds, although they're annoying, be thankful for the day to have a bird chirping in your face because it's nature and it's showing that the world is spinning today. So thank you, little Tweety ass bird that won't shut the fuck up and is tweeting all day in my face. We love you.